You won't believe why we turned down a 2 million offer for a AI forex trading robot. This is not clickbait. This is the raw truth behind a decision that shocked everyone. Our team. Over the last year, we built an advanced AI system capable of trading forex market with precision, speed, and consistency that most human traders can only dream of. It was not just another trading boot. This AI learned from over 10 years of historical data, constantly retained itself with new market conditions, and adjusted its strategies in real time based on volatility, liquidity, and economic views. It was more than just profitable, it was dominating. After going live in a private group for beta testing, the results were insane. We are averaging a 9 to 12% monthly ROI with over 80% accuracy and trades. The system was scalping, swing trading, and even identifying low risk setups that most professionals overlook. WordSpreed Fast, a hedge fund, approached us offering $2 million upfront for exclusive rights. No partnership, no royalties. Just a clean boycott. It sounded tempting. That kind of money can change life instantly, but there's why we said no. We didn't build this just for money. We built this change how trading works. We wanted to make institution level tools available for regular traders. Most people who are tired of scams, tired of signals that won't work, tired of losing money to make market manipulation. Sealing the boot meant giving up control. It meant our vision would be buried under NDAs and profit driven motives. That's not only why we started. This AI is still learning, still growing, and more importantly, it's already helping hundreds of traders hit consistent profit without needing to share at charts 24/7. This $2 million was a shortcut, but real impact comes from building something bigger than a payday. Our long-term goal to release a version of robot that retail traders can use affordably, safely, and transparently. No black box, no fluff, just results. So we said no. Not because we don't value money, but because we value purpose more. If you're tired of hype and want real AI forex automation that actually delivers, follow this journey because the next evolution of trading is not on Wall Street, it's being built right here.